The head. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop of middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with a chain stitch and then with 8 single crochets. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. Then with 8 single crochets. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 7 more single crochets in the same way. Eight single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with a chain stitch and then with 8 increases. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then with 8 increases. First, put 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 7 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Eight increases are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work a side up 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. 8 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work 2 more single crochets. Three single crochets are done. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. The second set, work 3 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work 1 more single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. The stitches for rounds 6 to 8 are the same. In rounds 6 to 8, put 1 chain stitch, 36 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then put 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 36 single crochets in total in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 36 single crochets in this round. Please finish the rest stitches by yourself. There will be 36 single crochets in total. And finally end with 1 slip stitch. Finish round 7 to 8 in the same way as round 6. Round 8 is done. In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a second up, 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 18 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, put 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 set is done. The second set, put 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, put 1 increase. The second set is done. Keep working 16 more sets. Put 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. We have demonstrated 4 sets. Please finish the rest 14 sets by yourself. Put 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. 18 sets done. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 9 is done. In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 54 single crochets. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 54 single crochets in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 54 single crochets in this round. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. There will be 54 single crochets in total. 54 single crochets are done. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 10 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Stretch the loop and remove the hook to pull the yarn tail out. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. Cut off the short yarn tail. Make some adjustments. The head is completed,